8:18 is the time. Want to get back over to meteorologist Jeff Fortron.
Yeah, I just pulled some of this visible satellite imagery that I was just describing to you. Yeah, so the Cedar Creek fire is down here. This is northwest Oregon. This is obviously the border of Oregon and Washington near the Columbia River. And that fire smoke, that big plume, is drifting right over the region this morning. And what you can see is different levels of smoke. You can see surface level smoke down here, and you can see mid to upper level smoke drifting over the region. So that's that big veil of smoke that we've been seeing from our various webcams. And unfortunately, this fire is out of control. It's going to be days before that fire is contained. It's probably going to take a good soaking rain or two or three during the fall for that to be contained or to get put out. So we're going to have a lot of smoke at least east of the Cascades in the coming days, but over the next 24 hours, a lot of smoke over our region, maybe even the next 48 hours. Temperatures are still much warmer this morning than they were this time yesterday morning. Tillamook actually at one point this morning was running 40 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. And I hate to say it, but many of you along the coast did not drop below 70 degrees overnight because of that air descending the coast range that kept the air really warm. And I know a lot of you don't have AC out there, so it was a rough overnight. Temperatures, if you were exposed to the wind inland, only stayed in the 70s overnight too, but wind-sheltered spots did drop to lower temperatures. And much of you in central and eastern Oregon started off in the 30s and 40s this morning, but we are starting to warm up at this point. So the coast is going to be dealing with areas of smoke. Once we get into the late morning and afternoon, the wind from south to north will start to shift. So that's going to cause a cooling trend, but it's going to take longer to arrive up to the north. So the northern Oregon and southern Washington coast will likely climb into the upper 80s and low 90s. Our western valleys will look at highs, or are looking at highs, in the upper 80s and low 90s with smoky skies. Late today and tonight, the wind will start to calm down, lowering the fire danger. But the west end of the gorge is going to experience wind gusts, probably in the ballpark of 50 miles per hour for a good chunk of today, keeping the fire danger high. And it's going to be a very warm to hot day in the gorge with highs near 90 degrees. The Mount Hood area will see smoky skies. High temperatures will range between the 70s and 80s. Could be a little bit cooler than the forecast is reading because of the smoky skies. Central and eastern Oregon expect hazy to smoky skies and high temperatures generally in the 80s and low 90s. Again, by tonight, our western valleys and the Cascades will see the wind calm down and start to shift direction. So come tomorrow, we're looking at lower fire danger. And between Sunday night and Monday, a few showers could be coming in from the south, courtesy of the remnants of Hurricane K. Highs are going to drop into the mid to upper 70s next week. Overnight lows are going to be falling back into the 50s. Air quality should be in pretty good shape. And by next Saturday, I think our rain chances will be on the increase. Deb, back to you.